Hi everyone. Tonight we are in Life Church, Philippians chapter 1, beginning in verse 12. Paul writes, I want you to know, brothers, that what has happened to me has really served to advance the gospel. Tonight, come on out to Life Church. We're going to look at how sometimes the things that happen to us are hard and they're not good things. Sometimes they're bad things. But sometimes what happens to us becomes part of our story. And what happens to us can be used by God to help other people and to help us, rely upon Him and draw near to Him in the midst of the difficulties. So if you're having a hard time, you're facing some trials tonight, I want to encourage you to come out. And maybe you're not going through something like that, but you could be in a position to help others. So bring your Bibles and bring an open heart. I'll see you, Lord willing, tonight at 7 p.m. For Life Church. Okay, God bless you guys. Have a good day.